Hey everybody, welcome back to the series where I'm finding the exact wattage of the most popular LED headlights and auxiliary lights from Amazon. If you're unfamiliar with what I'm doing here, I would highly recommend watching my introduction video where I go over what I intend on doing in this series of videos. Alright, let's get to it. Today I am testing this 36-inch LED light bar that I got from eBay back in 2014, so 8 years ago now. I haven't had it on a vehicle in a while, but I remember this thing being pretty stupid bright. So the manufacturer is claiming 234 watts. So let's go ahead and test it. All right, so last thing left to do is turn it on. All right, so we are at 12.6 amps at 13.8 volts. That puts us right around 174 watts, give or take. Again, the manufacturer is claiming 234. So even though it's not quite there, 174 watts is still plenty bright. So there you go, that's what it is. Thanks for watching.